homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm bad. When he dials my number, he says that he wants why I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep on the loss. So the Lord coming back to the channel, my homie be stuck in the trap.
As usual, man, give me all the good content, man. You already know. This video right here, man, I do appreciate y'all, all my subscribers to my channel, man. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I do appreciate this video is mainly and pretty much only for y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for getting me to 1,000. It took 2 years. I started my channel like 3 years ago, but I really wasn't serious with it that third year. For that first year I started, and then like the last 2 years, man, I've been on it. So I do appreciate y'all for subscribing to the channel, man. It really came a long way. It goes a long way. Shows that I've been doing good as well. So y'all know that in the comment section below. So y'all comment down below, man, if I've been doing good or bad. You already know, man. Once again, I do appreciate it, man. For real, I really do appreciate it. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Some people it take goddamn like a year or something to get to 1,000 subscribers, man. But finally, my channel finally get noticed. I do stuff differently than a lot of other people. I know how to mod cars, and I know how to fix on the damn car. So changing the timing belt, changing the alternator, anything, preventive maintenance, anything you can think of when it comes to, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to cars, I know how to do. Now, granted, I'm not like, when it comes to like modding, I'm not a perfectionist. I could be if I wanted to, but I could care less. I mean, it's just a damn vehicle, in my opinion. Certain things I try to perfect, certain things I really don't care about perfecting. But once again, my channel is mainly DIY, do it yourself, so, and how to. So a lot of people don't know how to do stuff, so that's why I'm here. Once again, I do appreciate y'all, man. I think I started off with my Dodge Charger. Started with my Dart actually. Started with my Dart actually, but Dodge Charger really got me where I needed to get to. It really kind of focused on more of the audience. So my Dodge Charger pretty much got me where I am today. I do appreciate y'all, Dodge Charger owners, man, for looking at my channel, subscribing to the channel. Dodge Journey as well too. So yeah, man, there's a lot of how-tos on the Dodge Charger that a lot of people do not know how to do. So it's a good thing I did come in with that car, because a lot of people don't know how to do anything with that car, man. A lot of people don't know how to work on cars. So I make things pretty simple. It's simple for me, but it might be hard for the next person. So that's why I'm here, man. I'm trying to make it easier for the next person. So my channel is not to gain money or to mislead people or anything like that. My channel is literally to help people out. That's what my channel is for. How-tos and DIYs, man. So other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for subscribing to the channel. The sun all in my eye, but I do appreciate y'all for subscribing to the channel, man. I do appreciate y'all for subscribing to the channel, man. It's a big ass truck that's hauling like 6 cars. I think it's like transporting cars to the dealership. So I think I might see it in the yeah, y'all see it. So it's like a big ass truck. It's going slow. I hate trucks, but hey, they're there for a reason. If you want products and stuff like that, that's why they're on the road. So you can't be mad at the trucks. You ordering stuff, you want the car, those trucks will slow you down. So stop ordering stuff you don't want the trucks on the road. But other than that, man, that's where we get into the video, man. I just wanted to appreciate my subscribers for today, man. But other than that, man, make sure you like, share the video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button as well. Hit that notification bell so you be notified every time I post a video.
What I just sing now?